Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we're going to solve your workbook page number 38 from your chapter number 2 and lesson number 2 also. So what life cycles, number 1 blank is what life cycles have two alternating phases on one sexual and one asexual, mean to say changing, okay? This type of life cycle is called what we call this. If you know the correct answer, you can type in the chat. Okay, my dear, hurry up. I can see the chat. Off, very good, well done. Alternation of generation, well done, very good, excellent, my dear. Okay, after that, the second blank is here. During the asexual phase, most plants from capsule contain what that contain. Very easy word here. Excellent, well done, my dear students. Because many students, they're going to send me in the chat the correct answer, so I can't repeat your name, but your answer is correct. Well done. That spore. So we write here spores. Very good. Because they are more than one. So what we mention here, spores. Well done. Very nice. Now blank number 3. During the sexual phase, monospores grow into plants with male and female branches. Rainwater carries sperm to egg cells and dash occurs. What occurs? You know very well this statement like this, and this term we already discussed in detail in chapter number 1, sorry, chapter number 2, lesson number 1 about the, yes, well done, very nice, fertilization, good. Very nice, my dear. Okay, now after that, blank number 4, the male part of a flower is called dash. The female part is called as pistil. So the male part, you know very well from the diagram. So the correct answer in number 4, that is stamen. Very good. Now number 5, at the top of the filament is the dash where pollen is produced. So that is also a male part. You know very well because excellent, my dear. Well done. Very nice. So that word is in number 5. The correct answer is here. Anther. Number 6, blank. The pistil is made up of stigma, a style, and dash, which contain the egg cell. You know very well where the eggs are present and sperm move in it. So we call this ovary. Very good. Excellent, my dear. Now after that, number 7, the perfect flower has both a stamen and a pistil. A or and that flower one part or the other. So if a complete, it has both. But if, very good, well done, very nice. The word is here imperfect. One is perfect and second one will be imperfect. Well done, my dear. Okay, so after that we move to number 8. The transfer of pollen from stamen to pistil is called, yes, no problem, take your time, you can complete. What we call, very nice. So the correct word is here, pollination. Excellent, my dear. Very good. So I hope everyone complete this page. And if someone is missing, you can take the screenshot. After that, we are going to complete and recheck page number 39 from your workbook. Everyone, if someone is remaining, he can raise his hand. Otherwise, you type no, then I move to the next page. That's great. Hurry up, Suhaib. Suhaib, you can take the screenshot even. Quickly. You can take the screenshot, then we move to the next, okay? Thank you. Very well done. Great. Okay. After solving page number 38, the next is 39. So from number 9 to till number 14, we're going to solve these blanks. So number 9 on page number 39. First, I'm going to write here because students sometimes forget. 39. That is your workbook page number 39. Okay. Now, after pollination, sperm cell from pollen move down the dash to the pistil, to the ovary, the last point where it need to come. So the word is here is style. Very good. Excellent, my dear. Now, number 10, the ovary enlarge to become A or N as the seeds develop. So what we write here? Fruit. Well done. Excellent, my dear. Now, number 11, in addition to the embryo, a seed contains a food supply called the dash. So you know very well the food that is stored in a seed. What we name that? Cotyledon. Very good. The development of seed into a new plant is called. Very good. Excellent, my dear. Well done. MashaAllah, it's mean you understand very well the lesson. So in number 12, the correct answer is germination. Good. Now, number 13, corn-bearing plants such as pines and fir are called, what we name them? Because there are cones, so the word we use from cone to conifers. Very good. Excellent, my dear. Great, great, mashallah. Well done. Okay, now on page number 39, the last blank, blank number 14, after a conifer egg is fertilized, it develops into a seed on the, so where you know that two types of cones, male and female cone. Now we going to discuss about the fertilization or the development of egg. So it's mean that will happen on, yes, excellent, excellent. Female cone. Now these are the answers from your workbook, page number 39, chapter number 2, lesson number 2. Yes, Mr. Suhaib, why you raise your hand?
Teacher, I don't finish number 8.
No problem. After that, I will upload this lesson on YouTube. You can go there and complete. Okay.
Okay.
Now, yes, Umar Walid.
Teacher, I finished.
Well done. Very nice. So now everyone complete this page 39 also. Well done. Now we are going to move page number after solving this one. Yeah, okay, no problem. You can take the screenshot. The students, they just joined the meeting. They can take the screenshot, and also I will upload this lesson or this the solved pages on my YouTube channel, from where you can easily recheck your answers. Okay, don't worry. Thank you very much. Now let's move to page number 40 from your workbook. Here we have, yes, Suhaib, you again raise your hand. Yes, my dear.
Just number 13.
What?
I just finished number 14.
Okay, you can go to my YouTube channel and you can complete it from there. Okay, now this is your page number 40. So before to start, please keep it in your mind. Here, workbook page number 40, we just going to write here the alphabets like A, B, C, like this. Okay, we're not going to write the words. Understand? So the first question here in the form of blank, or you can say that in the form of missing words, or as a definition. What is this one? So number one is here. I am a corn bearing tree. Who am I? Understand the question? So you know very well, in the last page, page number 39, we done this. That is number A. So the option number A, that is a conifer. So we're going to cross this one. Number two, I take place when pollen from the stamen reaches the pistil. What am I? So the second question, the answer of number two is option number G, that is pollination. So what we write here? G. Now number three question, I am the tiny offspring inside a seed. You remember that? Inside a seed that can grow into a new plant. Who am I? So the correct answer or number three is C, that is embryo. So number three, the correct answer is C. Now number four, I am the development of a seed into a new plant. What am I? So number four, correct answer is germination. So for germination, you need to write here D. Now, after solving till number four, number five, I contain a flowering plant's sperm cell. Who am I? So the number five here, you know very well, when you're going to discuss about the male part, you know very well, these are pollens. Okay, so the option number F is the correct answer. Now, number six, I have seeds with two cotyledons. Very easy. Two cotyledons. Who am I? So if two, that means dicot. So the number B is the correct option. Now, this number 7 is the reverse or opposite of number 6. I have seeds with one cotyledon. So you know very well that is your number E, or we name as monocot. So you will write in number 7 as E. Now remaining is 1, that is seed coat. So because that is number 8, we remaining here only 1, that is H. So what will be the question here? I am the tough outer covering on a seed. What am I? Seed coat. Well done, my dear. Till here, if you have any question, please you can raise your hand. Otherwise, type no in the chat and everyone complete this. Okay. Good. Very nice. Excellent.